most devastating weapon of wounds is moral injury, because it's unseen, it's soul deep, it sinks farther than anyone can fathom. It continues to bleed out, where no one but the injured and the one that can heal knows how deep and profound that is. Now, none of us in battle, and those of us that have lost somebody on the field, would leave somebody left to bleed out. We are called to step in and recognize he binds up the brokenhearted. He is the balm of Gilead that brings the healing, but he's going to use healed wounds that recognize the invisible wound of a fellow brother or sister to come alongside and say, this is the way. This is the way. I've been a little further down the road than you are, but we're going to get through it together. Battle buddy wasn't a concept from the military, it was God's. We were not meant to walk alone. Whether the injury resulted in line of duty, by choice, betrayal from others, or circumstances beyond our control, a moral injury often whispers, you're beyond restoration. Not so. Not so. The thief wants us to remain trapped in that lie. But the Good Shepherd, he invites us to walk through the door into healing. Reaction and response.